Financial advisors provide expert advice and guidance on various aspects of personal finance, such as saving, investing, and retirement planning. With their specialized knowledge and experience, financial advisors can help people make informed decisions about their money and reach their financial goals. Here are some of the reasons why people use financial advisors. Lack of financial knowledge. Many people do not have a comprehensive understanding of personal finance and investment principles. Financial advisors can help bridge this gap by educating clients on different financial concepts and strategies. Complexity of investments. Investing can be a complicated process, especially for those who are new to the world of finance. Financial advisors can simplify this process by helping clients understand their investment options and selecting the right products and strategies to meet their needs. Life changes. Life events such as marriage, having children, and retirement can have a significant impact on one's financial situation. Financial advisors can help clients navigate these changes and plan for their financial future. Long-term goals. Financial advisors can help clients set realistic financial goals and develop a long-term plan to achieve them. This includes helping clients plan for retirement, save for education expenses, and manage their debt. Access to expertise. Financial advisors bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table. They are trained to identify and assess the various risks associated with different investments and help clients make informed decisions. Overall, financial advisors can play an important role in helping people manage their money, reach their financial goals, and secure their financial future. If you're interested in learning about wealth, we highly recommend you grab a copy of Adella Pasos' book. Click the link below to download today. If this video was useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.